How to create an account on Houseparty. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you that how you can create an account on Houseparty application. So guys, without wasting any time, let's jump into it. So all you need to do is to go to your Play Store on your Android devices or App Store on your iOS devices and search for Houseparty. Once you searched Houseparty live on air, so you need to download and install that application on your devices. So once you're done with the installation, you need to tap on open the application. So guys, once you open the application, this is the first interface that you will see. Talk to your friends, you need to sign up. I already have an account, so you need to tap on that one. If you already have an account, you can just sign in, but in this video I'm going to show you that how you can create a new account. So you need to tap on sign up. So guys, once you tap on sign up, the first thing you need to fill in is your email address. So I will type in my email address here. So guys, the next thing you need to do is to enter your full name. So once you type in your full name, the next thing you need to choose a username. So once you choose your username and that is available, there will be a blue tick mark to the right side that indicates that this username is available. The next thing you need to do is to choose a password for your account. So guys, once you're done with the password, the next thing you need to do is to choose your birthday. Guys, after choosing your birthday, the next thing you need to do is to tap on the next. So guys, once you tap on next, find your friends. This is the new window which will say that find your friends. You can skip this part, or please verify your phone number so we know that you are a real person. So all you need to do is to verify your phone number. Make sure that your phone number is an authentic one and it is active, because they will send you a code through an SMS for the number verification. So all you need to do is you need to tap on the country and you need to select your country code. You can search your country here, and once you select your country code, you need to enter your phone number here. I'm just typing in my phone number, and once you're done with the phone number, you need to send SMS. So once you tap on send SMS, they will send you a confirmation code. You need to enter it here. So I received the code here guys, and I will enter it here. And once you enter the code, they say that connect contact here. They will ask you permission that they will connect to your contact. If any of the contact that is using a Houseparty, then they can actually be connected with you. So you need to tap on next. So the application will ask for some permission that allow Houseparty to access your contact. You need to allow that, and you need to tap on next. So the next thing that they will ask you that find your friends on Facebook. If you want to connect, you need to tap on next, and if you want to skip this part, so all you need to do is to tap on skip. So I will skip this one. So the next thing is that connect Fortnite. If you want to connect that one, you need to connect Fortnite, tap on that one. If you want to skip it, I will skip this part as well. So guys, add your friends. In my contact list, these are the people that they find, so I can actually connect with these people. So I will just add the people that I know, and then I will tap on next. So once you tap on next, the application will ask some permission from you. Houseparty is a video chat app, so we will need you to allow a few things to get the party started. Camera and mic, you need to tap on that one, and you need to allow the application to access to your camera and mic, and then tap on next. So guys, once you tap on next, as you can see, now your account has been created. So guys, this is all it takes to create your account on Houseparty application. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. In the next video, I will explain the certain feature of Houseparty. So stay tuned and don't forget to press the bell icon for future notification. Take a good care of yourself. Bye bye.